Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nokia 9 PureView. Begin by going into Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, do exactly the same on those two smartphones. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. If you wish to use this app without an internet connection, tap on Close in the pop-up and select this gray sweater at the top right corner. If you don't need to do that, just don't click on it. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nokia. Also on a Nokia, scroll down and choose the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Android device. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top, and from them select all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the couple of them. Whatever you do, when you are finished, click on Send Next selected at the bottom to continue. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Nokia. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Nokia's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!